Welcome to Random Reactions. Apollo 15 Saturn V launch. The 363-foot-tall Apollo 15 Saturn V is launched from Pad A, Launch Complex 39, Kennedy Space Center, Florida, at 9 hours 34 minutes .79 seconds a.m., July 26, 1971, on a lunar landing mission. Note that the launch is reflected in a body of water across from the launch complex. Aldrin next to solar wind experiment. Astronaut Edwin E. Aldrin, Jr., lunar module pilot, is photographed during the Apollo 11 extravehicular activity, EVA, on the lunar surface. In the right background is the lunar module Eagle. On Aldrin's right is the solar wind composition, SWC, experiment already deployed. This photograph was taken by Neil A. Armstrong with a 70mm lunar surface camera. Apollo 11 launch. At 9:32 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the swing arms move away and a plume of flame signals the liftoff of the Apollo 11 Saturn V space vehicle and astronauts Neil A. Armstrong, Michael Collins, and Edwin E. Aldrin, Jr. from Kennedy Space Center Launch Complex 39A. Neptune full disk view. This picture of Neptune was produced from the last whole planet images taken through the green and orange filters on the Voyager 2 narrow-angle camera. The images were taken at a range of 4.4 million miles from the planet, for days and 20 hours before closest approach. The picture shows the great dark spot and its companion bright smudge. On the west limb, the fast-moving bright feature called Scooter and the little dark spot are visible. These clouds were seen to persist for as long as Voyager's cameras could resolve them. North of these, a bright cloud band similar to the South Polar Streak may be seen. Years later, when the Hubble telescope was focused on the planet, these atmospheric features had changed, indicating that Neptune's atmosphere is dynamic. The Voyager mission is conducted by JPL for NASA's Office of Space Science and Applications, Washington, D.C. Pioneer 11 image of Saturn and its moon Titan. NASA's Pioneer 11 image of Saturn and its moon Titan at the upper left. The irregularities in ring silhouette and shadow are due to technical anomalies in the preliminary data later corrected. Looking at the rings from left to right, the ring area begins with the outer A ring, the Encke division, the inner A ring, Cassini division, the B ring, the C ring, and the innermost area where the D ring would be. The image was made by Pioneer Saturn on Wednesday, August 26, 1979, and received on Earth at 3:19 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Pioneer was, at that time, 2,846,000 kilometers, 1,768,422 miles, from Saturn. The image was produced by computer at the University of Arizona and managed by NASA's Ames Research Center. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye.